Yes, people, this is your girl Aleisha Lee and welcome back to another episode of Motivational Lee. On this episode, we look at Law 35, Master the Art of Timing. But before we get into that, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you are kept up to date each and every time I upload. And without further ado, let's get into this. Hurrying can be seen as a lack of control over yourself and over time. Always seem patient, as if you know that everything will come to you eventually, especially in a day and age where nowadays everything seems to be moving so quickly and so fast. It can be difficult to know exactly when to do things. Now, this law also states that it is critical to know the spirit of the times, to find out and figure out what is going on and when it should be happening. This law also mentions that time is an artificial concept that we have created for ourselves, just so that the human mind can actually compute what's really going on, because the universe is very limitless, it's eternal, and it never dies, it never ends. Because we need to have a bit more organization and be able to understand and process it, this is where time comes in. It makes it easier way of understanding the universe that we're in. Time for a child, it seems very long and slow, but for an adult, you will always hear adults saying, wow, time's going by quickly, things are going fast. It's because more things are being applied into your life. You're doing more things than you were as a child. When you're a child, you're just here to enjoy and live and just experience things. But as an adult, you get more responsibility and you figure out things, and your time gets taken up because more things are involved in your life. In order to apply this law, a lot of it is based upon having patience and discernment, knowing when to do things, in a sense of when things need to be done urgently, when you can take your time with certain things, and being able to apply this law at those different scenarios. In order to master time, you have to be able to know exactly what is going on in your mind, what things are a priority and what things can wait, in order for you to then prioritize and know exactly when you need to apply what to when. By having a clear mind, you're able to spot and see what exactly needs your attention urgently from what doesn't, what you need to apply and when you need to apply it. Once you have been patient with certain things, when is the right time to start ramping the effort up and applying speed to it? And by applying this law and actually thinking about what your time needs to be dedicated to, you're going to be able to maneuver quickly and use that to your advantage in order to keep your power. I think this law is so important, especially with everything going on at the moment. There's so many things that can distract you. You need to know where to apply your time and what things will get you to where you need to be in the quickest time possible. So all in all, being able to master time will help you make better decisions and put your mind towards things that are going to lead you to where you need to be. Some people would say that it will take a certain amount of time to do certain things, but there are people that have proven that it's not necessarily the case. So it's really down to your perception and what you want. And the more you're able to use this law, master time, and apply this to your life, you are going to find that you are going to get even more results than you imagined. But yes, people, that is it for Law 35, Master the Art of Timing. That's just letting you know. You need to know when to strike, when to not strike, and be able to master that. Once you do, you will be unstoppable. In the next video, we will be looking at Law 36, Disdain things you cannot have. Ignoring them is the best revenge. But yes, people, that is it for this video. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you know the next time we upload and when Law 36 is out. Make sure you have a great week. Stay blessed, and yeah, I will catch you in my next video. Don't know, boy.
People don't know. I just want to enjoy my day. So make your life go. My eyes were shut down. nine, nine, nine.